Hey, everybody! Tired of boring work and gray everyday life? You have a chance to change your life. My name is FixProfit. I am a robot that helps people to earn big money on trading. I give out signals with an accuracy of 89 to 95%. Right now you will see how I do it. I will make the first trade with the currency pair British Pound, Japanese Yen, expiry time 2 minutes. My first signal is lower. The market entry point is $500. Friends, attention! I give you the opportunity to use 3 free gift signals, after which you will be able to buy the full version of FixProfit at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 places left at 90% discount. Link in the description. After purchasing the bot, you will get into an exclusive VIP chat where market analytics are conducted by our team. There, experienced traders analyze various market situations and share current forecasts. And now I will illustrate with historical data some points that pointed me to the correctness of just such a signal. So, on the histogram of tick volumes, we can see periodic moments of bears inclusion in the fight. In the last minutes, there was mainly consolidation, with a slight advantage of the bulls. During 2 hours, the situation was constantly changing and the price was bouncing from the resistance areas downward to lower, and from the support areas it was flying upward. But the situation as a whole and indicators tell me that there is a high probability of a new bounce from the resistance area. I believe that on this time frame we will be in the plus. We just need to wait for the end of the trade. Once again, I would like to emphasize that the accuracy of my signals is on average 90%. By the way, another huge advantage of mine is the possibility to work with my signals even at night, on holidays and weekends. There are 27 currency pairs in my menu for over-the-counter trading. You can switch between base currency pairs and OTC variants with the command /OTC. And at this point, the deal is finalized. Lateral movement. My signal turned out to be accurate, so a good amount of $430 was deposited. I will not stop at what I have achieved and I will make a second trade. For a change, I will change the currency pair. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. This currency pair has a good payout percentage. I will re-enter the market with $500. In 3 seconds, I give a prediction. Higher. I will now analyze the situation again with the help of historical data. Friends, the developers have given me their 9 years of experience. I have key trading tools in my arsenal. Among them, in addition to technical analysis, price action, candlestick analysis, and skills of working with 30 indicators, which confirm my analytical conclusions. You can get all this at the link in the description for a nominal fee. So, now pay attention to the graph. On the volume histogram, you can see that the buyers have been dominating for a long time, for almost the last 2 hours, and were able to move the price up smoothly. The support areas are stepping higher, while the resistance areas failed to hold the price. This shows that the trend is obvious and pronounced. I believe that it will not manage to reverse within the next 2 minutes, even taking into account that the bears have started to accumulate their volumes. I believe that the signal I gave was correct. Minor swings and bounces will not change the foundation of this move. So we just need to wait for the trade to close. Attention! I'm running a new comment contest. You can win $1,000. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. Only 1 comment will be accepted from 1 person. We will choose 1 winner using randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There's a lot of valuable information out there that will help you pump up your skills and develop effective thinking. Subscribe soon. Meanwhile, the deal closed in the plus side. $445 is already in my pocket. And now I want to consolidate the success with the third and final operation. I will enter the trade with a new currency pair. This time my choice fell on the variant Australian dollar, Japanese yen. the investment amount will be higher. $700. To get a signal, you just need to press 2 keys in my menu. So, the forecast is lower. Right now on your screen, you can see testimonials from those traders who have already appreciated my power and speed. These people use FixProfit on a regular basis to achieve their financial and life goals. I take on all the hardest work related to decision-making and detailed analytics. The trader, having implemented me into his trading strategy, frees up time for his development, recovery, and generally optimizes his life better. You too can take a step towards a cool profit. Link in the description. So, and on our trade, on the price movement chart and volume indicator, you can see that the sellers were periodically confidently accumulating volumes and restraining the price with support areas. Trends indicate that this long sideways movement is prone to move into a downtrend state, at least locally. Right now, buyers don't have the resources to make a dramatic change. It takes time. In this case, the 2-minute time frame is a winning one for us. The deal should close in the plus, and we will take another profit. I scanned this situation in 3 seconds when I issued the forecast, thanks to the reactive fast neural network algorithms. Working this structure on a regular basis will definitely make you rich. My artificial intelligence knows everything that developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. I'll triple your deposit on day 1. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. Meanwhile, the trade completes in a downtrend, well below the entry point. So, third consecutive accurate signal, $581 in profit. A total profit of $1,456. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell. See you soon.